Germany, a country of captivating contrasts, where ancient history meets modern innovation, and every corner reveals a new adventure. Join us as we embark on an extended journey through my top destinations that showcase the heart and soul of this incredible nation. First, Berlin. A bustling metropolis alive with energy, featuring iconic landmarks such as the Brandenburg Gate and remnants of the Berlin Wall. Vibrant street life and cultural diversity. Our journey begins in Berlin, the beating heart of Germany, where the echoes of the past resonate alongside the pulse of modern life. Explore the solemn reminders of the city's divided history at the Berlin Wall Memorial, where poignant murals and preserved segments stand as a testament to the triumph of the human spirit. Venture into neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain, where creativity thrives amidst colorful street art and eclectic boutiques. Indulge your senses in the bustling food markets, where the aromas of international cuisine mingle with the lively chatter of locals and visitors alike. And now Munich. A charming city characterized by its Bavarian hospitality and stunning architecture, with scenes of bustling beer gardens, historic palaces, and lively street performances. We journey south to Munich, the capital of Bavaria, where tradition and modernity intertwine to create a captivating tapestry of culture and charm. Admire the grandeur of Nymphenburg Palace, a Baroque masterpiece surrounded by sprawling gardens and tranquil lakes, where the echoes of royalty resonate through the halls of history. Munich has vibrant beer gardens, where locals and visitors gather to enjoy traditional Bavarian music, hearty cuisine, and, of course, world-renowned beer. Raise a stein and join in the jovial atmosphere of Munich's legendary beer gardens, where laughter flows as freely as the beer. From the lively ambience of the Hofbrauhaus to the serene beauty of the Englischer Garten, Munich offers a myriad of experiences that celebrate the essence of Bavarian hospitality. The Neuschwanstein Castle. A breathtaking fairytale fortress nestled amidst the majestic Bavarian Alps, with sweeping views of the surrounding countryside. No journey through Germany would be complete without a visit to Neuschwanstein Castle, the crown jewel of Bavaria and a testament to the romantic ideals of King Ludwig II. Perched high atop a rugged hilltop, this fairytale fortress enchants visitors with its fairytale turrets, lavish interiors, and breathtaking views of the alpine landscape. Explore the castle's ornate chambers, admire its architectural details, and marvel at the panoramic vistas from its vantage points. Step into a world of enchantment as you wander through the opulent halls of Neuschwanstein Castle, where every room tells a story of romance, chivalry, and artistic vision. From the whimsical beauty of the throne room to the dramatic vistas of the Marienbrück, each moment spent within these walls is a journey into the realm of dreams. The Rhine Valley. A romantic and picturesque region dotted with charming villages, rolling vineyards, and majestic castles along the winding Rhine River. Journeying along the Rhine Valley, we're transported to a realm of romance and adventure, where the timeless beauty of nature intertwines with the rich tapestry of history. Cruise down the historic river, passing by ancient castles perched atop vineyard-covered hills, where legends of knights and damsels come to life amidst the misty mornings and golden sunsets. Enjoy leisurely boat cruises, explore quaint villages with half-timbered houses, and taste the region's renowned wines at picturesque wineries. Indulge your senses in the enchanting landscapes of the Rhine Valley, where every bend of the river reveals a new treasure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're savoring the flavors of local wines, exploring the medieval charm of towns like Bacharach and St. Goar, or simply soaking in the serenity of the countryside, the Rhine Valley offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of Germany. Lastly, Kaiserslautern. A hidden gem nestled in the tranquil beauty of the Palatinate forest, it features scenes of ancient castles, lush greenery, and lively professional football matches. Our final destination brings us to the charming town of Kaiserslautern, nestled amidst the rolling hills and dense forests of the Palatinate region. Here, ancient history and modern innovation converge to create a vibrant tapestry of culture, nature, and community. Explore the ruins of Hohenecken Castle, wander through the serene Japanese garden, and cheer at a 1FCK football match at the iconic Fritz-Walter Stadium. Explore the rich history of Kaiserslautern as you wander through the ruins of Hohenecken Castle, where echoes of the past mingle with the whispers of the wind. Find peace and tranquility amidst the lush beauty of the Japanese garden, where serene ponds and blooming cherry blossoms invite moments of contemplation and reflection. Enjoy outdoor enthusiastic hiking and biking through the scenic trails of the Palatinate Forest, enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Venture into the pristine wilderness of the Palatinate Forest, where emerald green valleys and towering peaks beckon adventurers to explore its hidden wonders. Whether you're hiking along scenic trails, cycling through ancient woodlands, or simply basking in the natural beauty of your surroundings, the Palatinate Forest offers an unparalleled escape into the heart of nature. From the vibrant streets of Berlin to the tranquil forests of Kaiserslautern, Germany beckons with a tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Join us on this extended journey and discover the magic of Deutschland for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope I earned a like and subscribe from all of you that stayed to the end.